Hey guys, Tony here. I wanted to update you guys on Bitcoin, if whether I'm still bearish or bullish, and where I think the market's headed. Because I have had a couple people ask me today on just my updated thought on Bitcoin, because I just posted that my Coinbase portfolio. I'm still bearish. I told you guys before, I'm still bearish. The only way that I end up being bullish is if July closes bullish on my reverse MACD. As you guys can see down here, on this little creation of the green dot, May closed bearish. June, 100%, I'm guaranteed that it's going to close bearish. We're like 2 days away, or like 1 day away. So 100%, I think we're going to be closing June bearish. If July is my catalyst, if July and August are going to be my main catalysts. If July ends up closing bullish, 100%, I'm going to be buying in heavy. If July closes bearish, then I will more than likely keep my short positions open, and I might add more short positions as soon as if there are any rises in price, to be honest. I really only have two forecasts for Bitcoin. Either like the first forecast is about 90 days out from that general creation of my reverse MACD. Generally, the first one was actually here. It was at those peak lows of around 28K that we hit, but my price target was actually previous support, which is at 29,890. Obviously that hit basically on the money, right? Give or take a grand or so, or like another like 10 or like $1,000 off or whatever. So it's on that support, right? It's on this support right here, which is on 29,918. If July closes bearish, my price target for Bitcoin will actually be a lot lower, which it would actually be another around 50% drop at 15K, which is the kind of the hardship of this, right? So I really only have two forecasts. My first forecast is from when that general creation of the reverse MACD signal came on. 90 days out, we drop about 40 to 50%. I went on the higher end of 50% just because it was hitting support. And if we do close July bearish, again, it's generally in the range of 70 to 80% correction in about 270 plus days from when that signal was given. And I would put it at like between 70 and 80%, it would be this huge support that we have at around 14K, around that area. So I would definitely be looking again. If we are here and we close July bearish, and then we end up being somewhere like in the 30, the 40K, anywhere in this general area, anywhere in this price zone, as long as July closes bearish, everything in this general area right here, I will be 100% short. So anything in this box, anything from here to any price from here up here, I will be shorting again. And I will just keep adding to my positions. But as soon as we close bullish on any month, or we close not necessarily bearish, but weakened bearish, then I will be not necessarily closing short positions, but I will start taking profit on any month that we actually start doing that. Again, still bearish. My only two target price points for Bitcoin are going to be that 29K, which it already hit for the month of June, and again around 14.5, 15, 13K, somewhere around that range, that area. If we close July bearish in the sometime like next year, late January, early February, sometime around that time. If July closes bearish, I'm generally thinking that we're going to do the full 70 to 80% correction in around 270 to like 365 days out. In which case I will just keep adding to my shorts, and then probably be DCAing, not necessarily all the way down, but as soon as we enter that 20K range, that's when I'll probably start DCAing in. But yeah, just an update. Still bearish on Bitcoin. I still think that it's going to keep dropping. It looks like it's going to keep dropping unless July proves me wrong and we either close July weekend, like a weekend bearish, or bullish. That's the only way that I am going to turn around and say, hey, I think we're going to go back up. So yeah, that's really the only way. As far as right now, still have my shorts open. No, there's no reason for me to close my shorts until July tells me something different. Either July closes weakened, bearish, or bullish, and then I'll be out of my shorts maybe. But yeah, that's basically it. Still bearish. Still think Bitcoin is gonna go down to possibly stay in this trading range right here. Or like I said, if July is the catalyst, it closes bearish. I strongly think that we're going down to like 14, maybe 15K, somewhere around that range, maybe 20K. I don't know, but definitely somewhere around this level. So I'll see you guys later.